Oh, hey, my name's Tim Schlueter. What's your name?
Oh, hi, my name's Lily.
I'm playing Frisbee golf. It's a game of throwing this Frisbee into that basket over there in a number of tries using the rules of golf.
It's like the rules of golf. Well, why don't you show me a little bit about it?
Well, first, you must understand the physics of Frisbee golf before you can play. I just learned from my amazing teachers in Fundamentals of Physics class, Section 2, with course director George Stewart, the physics to this game. Okay, so there's two factors that influence the flight of the Frisbee: gravity and air. Gravity is the force that makes objects move or tend to move toward each other. So basically, the Earth pulls the Frisbee towards itself. Gravity acts on all objects the same way by accelerating their mass towards the center of the Earth at 10 meters per second. If there was no gravity, the Frisbee would fly forever in the path it was thrown unless an outside object acts upon it. Now, once in the air, lift and angular momentum act on the Frisbee. Lift is generated by the shape of the Frisbee as it goes through the air. When you throw it, it increases the velocity of the air flowing over it, which decreases the pressure on top, which causes it to lift. It's like a plane and its wings. It's the Newton's third law, which states for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The Frisbee forces air down, action, and the air forces the Frisbee upward, reaction.
I don't believe you. Show me.
Alright, I will in this experiment. Now, did that lift? Damn,
I am very astounded.
Now I'm going to show you air resistance and how it affects gravity. There's a common throw in Frisbee golf called the tomahawk or the overhand. I'm going to throw more vertical and it should flip over and fall softly to the ground. So let's say there's a tree in my way from the basket and I have to go over it. I would use this throw. A disc can't fly through the air without spin. I'll show you. Nothing. You have to have spin for a disc to fly. Spinning the Frisbee when it is thrown, or giving it angular momentum, provides it with stability. The momentum of the spin also gives it orientational stability, allowing the Frisbee to receive a steady lift from the air as it passes through. The faster the Frisbee spins, the greater the stability. Now I'm going to put as much spin as I can on it, and watch how far it goes. In conclusion, there's so many more things that I could talk about with the physics of the Frisbee, but I don't want to get off subject to what we learned in class. But today we learned about gravity, air resistance, the spin of the disc, and Newton's third law. It's just basic physics.
Gravity! The big G